If you want to delete your GOG account, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can do it quickly and confidently. Before we begin, make sure you really want to continue because deleting an account can permanently remove your access and account data. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like and don't forget to subscribe for more simple how-to guides just like this. First, open your browser and go to GOG.com. Once you're on the website, look at the top of the page and find your profile drop-down menu. Click that menu to open your account options. This is where GOG keeps your account-related settings, so this is the first place you need to go. From the profile menu, click on Orders and Settings. That will take you into the account management area, where you can control different parts of your GOG account. If you don't see it right away, just take your time and make sure you are inside the correct account before moving forward. Now, in the account settings area, look for the option that says Delete Account. Click on that to open the account deletion page. This is the section where GOG lets you start the deletion request, so make sure you're following along carefully. On the next page, click Delete Account again. This is usually the final confirmation area before the account removal process continues. At this point, GOG may show you additional warnings or ask you to confirm your decision, so read everything on the screen before you proceed. Once you confirm the deletion, follow any final on-screen instructions to complete the process. After that, your GOG account deletion request should be submitted successfully. If the platform asks you to verify anything through email or an additional confirmation step, complete that as well, so the request goes through without issues. And that's how to delete a GOG account step by step. I hope this video made the process easy to follow. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.